advertisement, Ministry of
Okay.
Finance.
Okay.
It's, yeah, we're doing a good job here. We're moving forward. We've got the ID cards, shirts, hats. We've got a couple of Ministry of Finance women too on the side. We're doing a good job.
Can you show us a little bit your office?
Yeah, man, this is the workstation.
How many people work here?
There's about 4 on each side.
Okay.
We've got 4 on this side, 4 on this side. I'm sitting at the back here, the boss man is sitting at the back there. Computers, we've got our storage here, we store all the files.
Shelters, okay. Nice.
Shelters.
Okay.
We've got our own privacy here. Cupboards,
Oh,
lots
beautiful,
in there.
beautiful office.
Yeah, beautiful. Custom made chairs, files here. This is all the files from the work that we do. Yeah, we've got a landline phone if you wanna do an order.
If you want to drink, okay.
Yeah, if you wanna make a little pizza order or anything.
Yeah, wow.
So ask Mr. Abdulkareem. This is Mr. Abdulkareem. This is Mr. Abdulkareem here. He's the Deputy General here, the Budget Department. So we're going to ask him a couple of questions. So Mr. Abdi, why are you not wearing your shirt first of all, the advertisement?
What's your t-shirt?
Where's your t-shirt first of all?
My t-shirt.
You see, you already have your, your cap.
Of my cap, I'm going to take my t-shirt right
That's
now.
good. That's good.
Well, this is nice one. Your ID?
Yes, this is my ID.
Thank you very much. Ramadan, go away.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
There's Mr. Abdulkareem walking off there.
Okay.
We've got the guys with no hair inside the toilet.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, no problem. There's more to show outside as well.
Oh, outside it's in Mogadishu.
We're looking to establish everything there. We've got not one high tower in the city, as you can see.
Yeah, you have nice view, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice view, wonderful.
It's wonderful view. There you go.
Wonderful
Look.
view. Oh, wow.
Beautiful. See the soldiers there on the floor.
Yeah, I see. I think it's
Let's close it.
very sensitive area. a lot of soldiers there. Yeah, I see a lot of guards there.
Diaro,
Bas, bas, bas.